What a pleasure it's been working with you this past year.
We appreciate the opportunity you gave us to serve you, and we'd like to take a moment to thank you for your business,
your loyalty, friendship, and support over this past year.
Without your continuous support,
our business would not be possible.
We have successfully helped our customers keep track of their oil change intervals.
And enjoyed the time spent preparing trucking professionals with the advancements in the lubrication industry.
You're going to need some rest as we have an amazing new year coming up.
We hope you find a moment over the holidays where you can relax and spend time with family and friends. It's our goal to continue serving you through high-quality offerings focusing on new developments.
We look forward to working with you again in the coming year.
From all of us here at Quick Truck Lube,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.